Trouble focusing can be a long-term or short-term challenge. Either way, it makes learning hard. It also impacts everyday life. If staying focused is hard for your child, try these 6 strategies. 1. Jump right into project. The longer you put off starting a task, the harder it can be to focus on it. 2. Limit directions to 1 or 2 at a time. When kids struggle with focus, it can be hard for them to listen to, remember, and follow through on directions. So try not to overload your child with too many directions at once. 3. Set a timer. Set a timer for how long your child needs to work before having a quick snack or taking a break. Knowing there's a limit to how long they have to stay focused can make it easier for kids to hang in there. 4. Try mindfulness. Mindfulness exercises are all about paying attention and focusing. Studies have shown that mindfulness can help kids improve their behavior and their ability to focus. 5. Be open to what works. Some people need total quiet to focus. Others do better with noise. That's why it's important to ask kids what works best for them. 6. Direct focus back to the task. Even when using these focus techniques, kids might still get distracted. That's why they also need strategies to get back on task once they've drifted. It might be putting a hand on your child's shoulder or saying a specific word. Other ways to help your child focus: discover different types of fidgets, including ones you can make. Try free graphic organizers to help your child get through reading, writing, and math assignments. Learn ways to break down writing assignments so they're easier to focus on. And remember to talk about your child's strengths, not just challenges. When kids understand what they're good at, it builds confidence and helps them stay motivated when things get tough.